Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin, and today I will discuss another topic on Python. And today's topic is name mangling in Python. Actually in Python, private members cannot be accessed from outside of the class or not even by their objects. Okay, so using name mangling in Python, private members are traditionally indicated by prefixing their name with a double underscore, and this process is known as name mangling. Means using name mangling we can access the private members outside from the class. So go to the computer screen through Python. Ideally I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu, and you are watching my channel Technical Arquin, and today I will discuss, and the topic is name mangling. What is name mangling? In Python, private members of a class are conventionally indicated by prefixing their names with a double underscore, right? Name mangling in Python is a mechanism through which private members can still be accessed from outside the class, right? A process in which any given identifier with one leading underscore and two leading underscore is textually replaced with the underscore the class name and double underscore the member, okay, is known as name mangling, right? In underscore class name double underscore member, where the class name is the name of the current class and member is the attribute of the class named class name, right? Suppose for an example, if the student is the class and the private member is A, then we can call in that way underscore student double underscore A, right? When a class attribute starts with two leading underscores, Python changes its name by prefixing it with single underscore class name and then double underscore, right? This process is called name mangling. So go to the computer screen through Python. Ideally I will give an example of name mangling and how we can use it. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE, and here we write the code how to use name mangling in Python. Okay, so at first we write a class. Suppose write class student, right? Then put a colon, and we are using here a private member. How? Just put a double underscore prefixing of the member, right? So in that way you can write, suppose we write here underscore underscore A, and suppose put the value suppose 0. Okay, now suppose we write a method. Just write a method name is def display. Simple, the method name is display, and put as an argument self, because we know for object oriented program is concerned in Python we should send one of the argument is self, which is currently executing object. Okay, and now if we just initialize this value self dot underscore underscore A equals suppose 10, right? And if you want to print here also, just write print self dot underscore underscore A. Okay, now if we just instantiate the class, put the object name is S, and then just write after equal student, right? And then parenthesis open close. Now if you call S dot display, and after if you save it, already I saved the file in the name underscore mangling dot py. If you run it, just press F5. So we get the value of A is 10, right? And now suppose we want to access this private member outside of the class. Means after that if you want to print, just write S dot underscore underscore A. Means we want to try accessing the private member. Means now we are trying to accessing the private member outside of the class using this object. Okay, now it should be an error because we can't do this. We can't access any private member outside of the class, not even the object. So if we just run it, So what happened, we get error because no attribute like underscore a, because Python cannot allow to access private members outside from the class, not even the object. Okay, now if you use this name mangling mechanism, we can do it. How? Just write after s dot, we just write single underscore and put the class name student, and then it's okay for underscore a. Now this mangling can be accessed the private members outside from the class using this object. If you save it and if you run it, so just see we get 210. Why? First 10 for display method, first 10 for the display method, because display print the private member, because within the class we can access it, but outside of the class we need, in that way should call. How? Put an underscore prefix of the class name and then put double underscore prefix of the private member. Okay, so in that way we can access the private members outside of the class using name mangling mechanism, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts, you can write in the comment section. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcade for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you.